There was this sense of overwhelming darkness engulfing us day by day, cause of living the same repetitive lifestyle. In order to overcome that, we decided to travel somewhere. And the first thing that came to our mind was none other than the Queen of Hills, the Ooty. On our trip to Ooty from Gudalur side, we were welcomed by this mesmerizing view of the eucalyptus plantation on either side of the road. The first destination we headed to was Pykara waterfalls, which was along our way to Ooty. The waterfall, the cold climate, and the light drizzle of rain was creating us a sense of ecstasy in us all. We could see wild boars roaming freely on the lakeside. We took our time to taste the local authentic foods. The light drizzle of rain was present throughout the day. Krishna was practicing his taekwondo kicks on the eucalyptus tree. Then we headed to the Ooty boathouse. Tried our hands on paintball shooting and horse riding. On the next day of our trip, we headed to the Ooty tea factory. On the way, we could see this beautiful view of the Ooty settlement. The view from the tea factory was also something to be not missed. Then we headed to the Dondapeta peak, which is the highest mountain in the Nilagiri and the fourth highest mountain in South India, with an height of 2637 meters. The view from here was breathtakingly beautiful. The entire valley along with the city of Ooty was clearly seen from here. Movement of clouds hanging low on the mountains was something to be seen. Frankly speaking, I was experiencing some troubles with breathing, but the view from here was worth the troubles. We spent a good amount of time here observing the city and the movement of clouds above it. Then we headed to Coonor, which was a 21-kilometer drive from Ooty. The view along the way was very much pleasing to the eyes. The lush green landscape, the blue sky, the tea plantation, the cold fresh air were all making us feel so humble towards nature. The first place we visited in Coonor was Sims Park. This mountain squirrel was so used to people that it never bothered me taking its video so close to it. Then we headed to the Lamb's Rock. The view along the way was creating goosebumps in us. This tea plantation was getting completely filled with fog. Many tourists passing by were stopping their vehicles to take pictures from here. Finally, we reached Lamb's Rock. The mountains were all covered with fog. The Lamb's Rock is a sheer precipice of several hundred meters and commands a good view of the Coimbatore Plain. The last destination we headed to was Dolphin, which was very close to Lamb's Rock. The Catherine Falls could be clearly seen from here. The view from here was one of the best we have seen throughout the entire trip. The trip to Ooty filled us with a sense of humbleness towards the mighty nature and what it can offer us.